Hi and welcome. This video will take you through a number of essential capabilities in CAS Analytical Methods. Let's look at an example. Once you log into the tool, you see a search box. You use it to query the database using a substance name or a topic. Let's look at methods related to oleic acid. The system will retrieve methods that fully or partially match my search terms. Hit search. It returned us many answers. By default, answers are sorted by relevance and grouped by method. Feel free to change these options to best review your answers. Many filtering options are available to help you refine answers. They are organized in a very similar format. Let's walk you through. Analyte allows you to limit methods that are analyzing specific substances, for example, oleic acid. You can use matrix to limit your methods studying certain types of samples, for example, seed or oil. Scroll down. Method category is a great way to look at methods applied in broader areas of studies. Each method in the database has been assigned to at least one relevant category. Technique is an excellent way to find studies using a particular type of analysis. Let's look into this further. Click View All. Search for HPLC. You will display variations and you can choose from the list. Once you've done your selection, click on Apply. Now we only see methods utilizing HPLC in the answers. A couple more filters here. Validation allows you to locate methods reporting different types of validation data, for example, concentration or retention time. Year is not a stranger. Use it to refine your answers in a particular year range. Another great feature in the tool is to allow you to compare up to 3 methods in detail. You will use the Compare button in the record preview to add desired methods to a list. Let's select a few. Once we're done our selection, we can expand the Compare list at the bottom and click on the Compare to display the selected methods in the comparison table. You'll be able to review the details side by side, and you can remove a method from the table or download the table in different format for later review. Let's go back to the answers. Collapse the list. Export and save options are useful if you want to keep methods of interest for future use. In the answer list, you need to select more than one answers to activate the download feature. Now you can export details using detail option. You can also have the ability to save multiple methods. Use the Save button. To retrieve saved methods, use the Ribbon button on the top menu. I hope you find this video useful. Feel free to check out other related videos. Have a great day.